As the AITUC, we condemn the retrenchment of employees working in TCS without giving any notice and without applying any labor laws. In this country since 1991, the governments at the center and also states, in the name of implementing the new economic policy, there are so many attacks on the working class in this country. In so many companies and so many factories and public sectors, the employees are being removed even if they are giving notice. Particularly in the IT sector, the government is giving crores and crores of rupees as relief and also concession to the IT sector on the plea that more and more employment generation is taking place in the IT sector. But now it is proved that it is not a fact, but more and more the retrenchment is taking place in the IT sector. The senior employees are being removed and in their place, in one employee, 3 or 4 junior employees being employed with lower wages. So in that way, the exploitation is taking place in the IT companies. So we, AITUC, demand the central government to apply the laws whichever is applicable to the employees in this country, labor laws, industrial laws, to the IT sector employees also, and protect them from the retrenchment and also terminations. And without applying any laws, it will be unconstitutional against the constitution. And in this regard, we, AITUC, along with the other trade unions, we decided to mobilize all the trade unions, fight it out, and bring pressure on the government to do justice to the retrenched employees of the TCS. In this regard, we fully support the struggle being conducted by the Forum for IT Employees, and we continue to extend our support till we achieve the goal.